This video is to show you how you can review past activity between you and a lead or you and a contact or anyone in your organization's activity with that lead or contact directly in the RingDNA platform. You'll notice that I have Duncan's Salesforce page up here on the right, and I can see activity logged here on the right-hand side. But in the RingDNA telephone platform, at the top, I have two tabs. It will always default to show you details. But if I click on this activity tab, I will see all past activity that we have had with a lead or contact. I can see text messages, I can see calls, I can also see emails. I can sort that activity by the specific type, and I can see the text thread. I can see the telephone calls that we've had. This also exists for contacts. If I pull up a contact and I switch to the activity tab, I will see Zoom meetings. I will see outbound calls. Any call that I've had that is long enough to have a generative summary created, which means that it was over 90 seconds, I will be able to read the generative AI summary right here without having to go searching for more information. Any recorded calls, I can also natively play the recording right here from this green button. You'll see that I can again sort by things like emails, or I can sort by calls, I can sort by text messages. All of this activity is available to view natively within the RingDNA platform by clicking this activity tab at the top. One more trick for those of you that are interested, you can use this green arrow in the bottom right to not have them be separate tabs and instead see them side by side. If you see them side by side, make sure that you shrink your Salesforce window so that these two windows don't overlap. But now I have all activity and all details always side by side. And when I switch contacts, again, I will see all activities on the right and all fields on the left, along with related records. You don't have to use side by side. You can always collapse it down and use the two tab method. Please use whichever version works best for you.